Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we are going to discuss about header and footer. First of all, we have to know what is header. Header is basically the area at the top of the document which include text or image. It contains the company name, title of the document, page number, date and time, company's logo, etc. So now I am showing you how to insert header in the document. First of all, to add header, click on the insert tab on the ribbon. Now click on the header option. Now you can see here list of predefined format displayed. You can select any one you want. I select this. I can change here the text. And also I can add the picture. So how to add picture? To add the picture, click on the picture option. Now you can see here the picture of the school. Drag it to minimize the size of the picture. Now you can see how to add picture in this. Now one more thing, you can also see the format tab on the ribbon. When I insert picture, it is automatically displayed on the ribbon. And when I insert header, the design tab is automatically displayed. Now if I want to close the header, click on the close button. Now you can see the document area is active. When you want to change the header, click on the insert header option and edit the header. Now you can change the header. If I want to go to the document area, double click on the area and now I can write text here. If I want to add in the header, double click on the header area. Now I can also change the header text. Now if I want to add the page number, click on the page number and select the alignment of the page number. Now you can see page number is automatically displayed on the top of the page. When I go to the third page, it is automatically displayed. Now if I want to add the date and time, click on the date and time option. Now you can see here the list of date formats is displayed. You can select any one of it. Yes. Now same as I insert picture, I can also insert the clip part. Drag to now if you want to add the author name or company name, click on the quick parts document property and click on the company. Now you can add the name of the company here. Now come to the next. What is footer? Footer is the area that is displayed on the bottom of the document. So how to add footer? The same process as I insert the header will follow. Click on the insert, then click on the footer. You can now see again it has predefined formats of footer. You can click on any one of these. If you want to add the email, I can add this. You can also add the page number, date and time, quick parts, picture, clip part. Also we can add in the footer. Same process will follow as I insert in the header. Now come to the next topic, managing styles. Look at the home tab. You can see here the number of styles displayed in this style group. To work on styles, we have to add some text on the document. So I'm copying from here. If I want to change the styles, select this text and click on the arrow. You can now change any one of the style from this. Now how to apply style sets? Click on the change style. Click on the style set. You can see every style set have different design. Style set includes the combination of title, heading and paragraph style. Style sets allow you to format all the elements of your document at once, rather than formatting your title and heading separately. Even you can change the color only. You can change the font. If I want to clear the style, if I want to clear the format of the style, first select the text, then go to this arrow, then choose clear formatting. It will clear from the text.